Hello students, welcome back. I hope you remember what we have done yesterday. Yes, we have checked our answers of subtraction by addition. But there is one more method of checking subtraction by subtraction. So let's find out how we can do this. Let's start with an example. We have 75 minus 32. So when we subtract 5 minus 2, we will get 3. And when we subtract 3 from 7, what we will get? We will get 4. Got it? So our answer is, the difference is 43. Now let's see how we can check the answer by using subtraction itself. So first of all, what we have to do, we have to subtract the difference from the biggest number. Like we have, the biggest number is 75 and the difference is 43. So let's find out what we will get. 3, subtract 3 from 5, so we will get 2. Subtract 4 from 7, what we will get? We will get 3. So our answer, what we have got is 32, is same as the smaller number. So it means our answer is correct. Let's do one more example. Here we have 87 minus 45. So let's subtract the numbers. 5 minus, when we subtract 5 from 7, we will get 2. And when we subtract 4 from 8, we will get 4. So what is the difference? The difference is 42. Now let's find out whether we have done it correct or not. But we are going to use the subtraction method. And how we are going to do this? When we subtract the difference from the greater number, we will get the smaller number. So the greater number is 87 minus 42. So 7 minus 2, we will get 5, and 8 minus 4, we will get 4. So our answer is 45, which means the number is correct. It means the difference we have got is correct. Okay. So I'll repeat once again. What we have to do, we have to subtract the difference of the two numbers, that is 42, right? We have to subtract the difference of the number from the greater number. Like we have 42 as difference, so we have to subtract 42 from 87, and what we will get? We will get the smaller number, that is 45. So we have got the same number. It means the answer is correct. So kids, you have learned how to check subtraction by using subtraction. Now check your own answers by using this method also, and solve more examples from your book, page number 67. So here is page number 67, and you can see you have to find the difference of two numbers, so you will get the greater number. Thank you for watching and keep learning.